Welcome. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to clear your search history on Skyscanner. Okay, so first up, just go ahead and go to your profile right here at the bottom right. Tap on it. Now go ahead over to your profile picture once more. Just tap on it. Now go ahead and select Account Management. Tap, and here you have Clear App Search History. Tap on it. Now there will be a pop-up. Just hit on Delete if you're sure, and once done, you're good to go. Another one. Make sure that your saved right here is cleared as well. Now to clear it, just go ahead and tap on the heart icon, tap on it and hit on delete. Delete, and do it with the other items, okay? Another option is by looking for the app icon. Just find the app icon right here, tap and hold. Now go ahead and tap on information. Right here at the top right. If you're using iOS, just go ahead and find the settings app. Now, under general, find Skyscanner and tap on offload app or offload data. Okay. Now here on Android, just find storage and cache or storage. Now go ahead and tap on clear cache first. And once that's done, tap on clear storage. And after that, your search history will be cleared. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.